twist my arm.
So cute.
Sliding.
Benjamin's arm does look quite similar to a branch. Oh, little bird. Benjamin is a bird whisperer. They like to harvest his hand. I can't believe it. Benjamin got it to sit on his finger. Oh, and that's it.
Hold on.
Oh, why did you sit on my finger? Wow.
You are a good little bird.
Oh, birdie. He's like, where to go from here? What are you doing, Chloe?
What are you doing? Is there a bird on you?
Yeah.
What's he doing?
He's eating.
Yeah, he is, isn't he?
He's growling.
He is growing. His tummy's growing. What a nice bird.
He's hungry.
There he goes.
I know. Bye, bird. Hey, how about that bird?